Hello friends, welcome to Vitish Academy. In our previous video, we have discussed about dot product, and in this presentation, we are going to discuss about cross product. So this is the second type under the product of vectors. And now let me define what is a cross product. So here, if a bar and b bar are the two vectors, then the cross product of these two vectors is defined by a bar cross b bar. And here there are two conditions. The first condition is if a bar is equal to 0 and b bar is equal to 0, then these two vectors a bar and b bar are said to be parallel. And the cross product of these two vectors, that is a bar cross b bar, will be equal to 0. And the second condition is here, if a bar is not equal to 0 and b bar is not equal to 0, then these two vectors a bar and b bar are said to be not parallel. And the cross product of these two vectors a bar cross b bar is given by the formula mod a bar into mod b bar into sine of angle between a bar and b bar into n cap, where n is called as a unit vector which is perpendicular to the vectors a bar and b bar. And make a note that as the cross product of the two vectors is a vector, the cross product is also called as the vector product. And here, if a bar and b bar are not parallel, then the cross product a bar cross b bar is said to be perpendicular to both the vectors a bar and b bar. And now let me introduce few properties of cross product. So the first property is here, if a bar and b bar are the two vectors, then a bar cross b bar is equal to minus of b bar cross a bar. And then next we have a bar cross of minus b bar is equal to minus a bar cross b bar, and its value will be equal to the minus of a bar cross b bar. And the third property is here, minus a bar cross minus b bar is equal to the value of a bar cross b bar. And then at last we have the property as if a bar and b bar are the two vectors and L and M are the two scalars, then L into a bar into M into b bar is equal to the value of Lm into a bar cross b bar. For example, let us consider the different values of L and M. Let us consider LA as 2a bar cross 3 into b bar, and its value would be 2 into 3, which is nothing but 6 into a bar cross b bar. So these are the few properties under cross product. So make a note of these properties as these are very important in solving the examples. And now let us proceed and solve an example under this concept. So here we have, if the value of mod p bar is equal to 2 and the value of mod q bar is equal to 3 and the angle between p and q is pi by 6, then we have to find the value of mod p bar cross q bar whole square. So we already know the formula that mod a bar cross b bar is given by mod a bar into mod b bar into sine of angle between a bar and b bar. So according to the present example, the formula would be mod p bar cross q bar is equal to mod p into mod q into sine of angle between p bar and q bar. And now let us substitute the given values. So we get here mod p bar, which is 2 into 3 into sine of angle between p bar and q bar. So it is given as pi by 6. So let us substitute over here. So on multiplying 2 and 3, we get here 6 into 1 by 2. Now let us simplify this. We get here 2 1 time is 2 and 2 3 times is 6. So we get here 3 as the value of mod p bar into q bar. Now let us square on both sides. So we get here p bar into q bar whole square is equal to 3 square, and its value is 9. So therefore we can conclude that the value of mod p bar cross q bar whole square is 9. So this was a basic introduction on cross product. Hope you understood the concept. Refer to more videos on cross product on our website Vitish Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.